How to pin someone on a Snapchat to your home screen. In this tutorial video, I'm going to guide you the easy way to pin someone on a Snapchat on your home screen. So do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you'll learn how to do it. First of all, open a Snapchat app on your Android device or iPhone device. Once you open it, make sure you have logged in on your account and then select the chat icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. This this will let you access to your chat section of Snapchat where you have to select the particular user that you want to pin on Snapchat to your home screen. So let's tap and hold the user. A pop-up box will appear on your screen where you can see different kinds of options. Thus you have to select chat and notification settings. And now on this section you will see pin shortcut to home screen. You need to simply select it and you need to select the add button. Once done, when you come back to this home screen of your Android device, you will easily find that user. So as you can view on this home screen that this user of Snapchat has already been pinned as shortcuts to home screen. Now you can easily open it and then directly open their chat. So that's it. That is how we easily pin someone on our home screen of Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.